The following table gives the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So we have 400 of neon lamps. So in total, this will be 400. So the first group is minimum is 300, at least 300 to 400 is the first group, and the maximum is 900 to 1000. So represent the given information with the help of histogram. How many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours? So this is the question that we need to do later. First thing is the checklist. Is the class continuous? 400, 500, 600? Yes. So we don't need to do this. Is the class width same? This is 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Right? So this is also same. So basically we pretty much need not copy or do anything over here. We just have to represent this on a sheet of graph. For just a minute, I'll just copy this off onto a sheet of paper and done. So we are looking at, right, this will be helpful. So we have a minimum of 300. So along the x-axis, we need to represent 300, 400, 500, right? So actually, we can start off with 100 only. Or if you guys are okay with a kink, we can have a kink and 300 over here. I think we'll go with a gap of 2. 600, 700, 800, 900, and we have 1000. And number of lamps, it is maximum is 86, right? I'll just show it to you guys also. We have 86 and minimum is 14. We need to go with 10 only, right? There's no other way. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, now it's just a matter of drawing. So we have 300, 400 of 14. So 14 will be over here. And remember the width we are taking is every 2 centimeter, right? And next is 56. So always keep the question paper next to you guys. You need not look from the answer script and do it. When the data is continuous and all of that. And the class size is same. ಐವತ್ತಾರು 700, 800 is 74, 74, 62, 48. Lifetime in hours. So we're looking at lifetime in hours. So we're presenting in hours, and this is number of lamps. And yes, we need to talk about the scale. For along the x-axis, for every centimeter we have 150 lamps. No, hours. These are hours, right? Don't miss the unit. Even if you write that wrong, then it's wrong. Every centimeter we have 10 lamps. And that's the title. Okay, so we can write down a title, and this is your complete representation, right? So this is your graph. Okay, so that's your representation. How many lamps have a lifetime more than 700? That will be from 74, 62 and 48. So this two, adding this two will be 50, 110, 110 and 184. So it is 184. Answer is, for the second one, 184 lamps will have 700 hours of life, 700 hours of lifetime. Okay, so this is your answer. So let's simulate this also using Python code. Just a second. So let's see the answer. The class width we took was 100, right? I mean, the graph itself has a class width of 100, but here I made it a point that so that you guys are aware of what you guys are doing. So here we can see 300, 400, 500, 600. So the class width is 100, and you can see it looks like a replica, right? Okay, so this is your answer. Quite good, right? Okay, you can pause and see to that you most of the time you guys miss out on scale, putting things on x and y axis, and title also, deciding on the scale and all of this. Drawing per se is not a big deal. You guys do that. That is a good job. All that is done. But yes, be careful of all of this. Okay.